upload grades from Packback into the Moodle LMS, first head to your community and select the button labeled Participation Reports. Click Generate Report. If you are grading weekly, simply choose the interval and select Student under Role. This will include students who are on your roster but chose not to sign up for Packback. If you're grading multiple weeks, which is more common, select Download Full Report and under Role, select Student. Here you have various criteria to choose from, including name, email, and LMS ID. Uncheck any columns that you do not use for matching students in your LMS. For Moodle, you only need the name and email. Depending on whether you selected grade in percentage or grade in points when you configured your report, the final grade column for the interval of your download will be formatted differently. If you selected grade in percent, the interval grade column in your Packback report will be delivered in a decimal from 0 to 1. If you selected grade in points, the interval grade column in your Packback report will contain the sum of earned points for that student for that assignment period. Once you've selected the appropriate criteria, you can generate the report. A CSV of your grading report will be downloaded to your computer. If you run into issues uploading your file, here are a few common causes that you can check. 1. Students don't match. If your student list in Packback does not match your student list in the LMS, some LMS will return a generic error if it cannot match a student. If you see that a student has dropped your class and is still in Packback, you can remove them from your Packback discussion using the Manage Roster tool. 2. Columns don't match. If you're trying to upload a file that contains more columns than your LMS expects, this can cause an error. When you're uploading grades for an assignment, be sure your file only contains a single grade column per student and only contains the student information used for matching grades. Example, LMS ID or email. Once you're ready to import your grading report, go to the Moodle community and click Grades on the left-hand side. Then click Import. Drag and drop the grading report you downloaded from Packback. Click the button labeled Upload Grades. You'll see that all of your grades for the selected interval have been uploaded, complete with the criteria you selected, as well as average points, total points, and number of questions and responses. Using the drop-down labeled Map To, you can choose what you want Moodle to identify as the grading criteria. We recommend selecting email address, as this is what will show up on Packback and Moodle. All that's left to do is click Upload Grades. If you have any questions regarding the grading upload process to your LMS, simply email help@packback.co.